So I'm taking this shuttle here, going up to Marmarth. I'll write down, I don't know what it is. Going to Kruger Park. And yeah, so apparently the company overbooked us.
What? D-R-A-M-A. Drama.
We've been here about 20 minutes, and actually one of the passengers that we're supposed to pick up here, she went in the driver's side and she took the keys, and she said she refuses to give them back until she gets room in the transport because they overbooked.
Drama, drama, drama.
So two of the other passengers said, okay, to the driver, just take us back. We'll stay another night in Joburg. So he's like, well, I'm not a taxi. I can't do that.
I promise I don't know any. I'm so confused. I have no idea what's happening.
So I think we're buckling in. Somebody walked over to KFC. I brought food. We were going to the gas station to get food and drinks. We might be here for the long haul. Let's go already! There was one lady, she has a child. She paid for the child's seat. They're gonna refund her the child's seat, and she's gonna carry the child on her lap so that overbooked person can ride in the van with us. So David figured it out. He's the man. So we got the girl in the seat. We can finally go. Ready, David?
It's about time.
And some things are universal. There's always a line for the women's. Bro, the guy's bathroom is completely empty. This is the world's busiest gas station, convenience store. Security has to stop. We can't even let people in. This is so crowded.
Scrolling through the feed, what do I see? Your face popping up, it's calling to me.
So the house I'm staying at does dinner every night and breakfast every morning. So it's like family style dining. So it's pretty cool.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment now. Raise the roof, let's show 'em how. Spread the love, let it go worldwide.
You probably can't see us because it's like 4:45 in the morning. We're heading out on our first safari. So there are 5 of us and the driver. And hopefully we see some cool animals.
Hands to the sky, feel the energy flow. The TMax shows you place.
Okay, so we arrived here at the gate at 5:03 and it opens at 5:15. So we gotta wait a few minutes. So let's take the opportunity to meet my fellow travelers.
Hello, my name is Giraffes from Brazil. I'm so excited for today.
Hello, my name is Giovanna. I'm from Brazil also. I'm from São Paulo, and I am very excited to see the lion.
Hi, my name is Fernanda. I'm also from Brazil and also very excited.
Hi, I'm Nadia from Russia. I'm so glad. It's my second time safari and I'm happy.
Hello, my name is Leopard and I'm a safari guide. Oh.
So this day we started our tour at 4:30 in the morning and we went all the way until 12:30 p.m. full day safari. We saw about 25 different animals. I was able to capture quite a few of them on the camera. Not great, but I was able to get a little bit of a video. And we actually ended up coming back the next day and doing another tour in the afternoon to see if we could see different types of animals, to see them doing different things, which we did, which was really cool. So I definitely recommend, if you can, do a tour in the daytime early and then also in the afternoon.
What are the big 5?
Lion.
Giraffe. It's a giraffe?
No,
Leopard.
Lion,
Elephant.
Is it a rhino?
buffalo,
Buffalo.
lion, elephant, buffalo, rhino, and leopard.
We're gonna check with that and see if that's right.
The big 5 we have elephant, rhino, leopard, a buffalo, also lion. I don't know why they didn't count hippos.
Okay, yeah, they're bigger than leopards. So we're seeing tons of impala. We saw quite a few wildebeest, but we're still looking for the big 5. Yeah, having binoculars is a really good idea. I can see him chewing. That's amazing. So Label's been sharing some really cool information with us about the different animals. She even mentioned that the giraffes have like a rubber tongue so that they can eat the thorn bush trees without hurting their tongue. And also have really long eyelashes, which protects their eyes when they go in for the food. So yeah, come out here and do safari with Lebo. She's good.
They might be fighting for a girl, eh?
Oh, it's for a girl.
Yeah.
I saw him first. My main vlogging lens on my camera is 17 millimeters, so it's very wide. So it's really hard to get video of the animals. So I used my phone, which has much better zoom, but then the quality's not that great. So I did what I could.
Who
antelope. That's the female one. Males have horns, female doesn't have horns. The pregnant period is 22 months. That's the longest in the wild, just for one calf, to carry one calf. They feed up to 300 kgs per day to maintain their body. They were named African elephant because of their shapes of their ears.
The TMax journey is a non-stop love.
In Kruger National Park, drone use is prohibited. They mentioned something about poachers and disturbing wildlife. And I'm not going to get into all of my rebuttals for that, but if you want to talk about it, go ahead and leave a comment below and we can chat about drone use and prohibitions and all that. Some drone shots here would have been epic.
Successful hunters, they don't kill it. They eat the prey while it's alive. They chase while eating it.
Now that guy's a professional. So this is a good spot. We got a crocodile, 2 otters, 2 hippos, all in the same spot. Everybody's filming because it's really cool. It's amazing out here. So, how is it so far?
I like the experience, but I want to see the lion and the leopard. Please, God, please.
Nice.
Amazing. But we are focused to see the lions.
It's very nice because a lot of hippopotamus I like so much. Happy.
Really nice. I'm just excited to see the lions. I hope we could see them today.
Okay, so we are taking a quick 1 hour break to eat something, use the toilet and all that before we go out and see more animals. We saw one of those. I just didn't get to film it, but yeah, we saw one. All right, ladies, we ready to go find some lions?
Lions.
Teen globe cities roll on the map. Jet engines hum, no time for a nap. From Rio Samba to Istanbul's clap. The TMax.
This is how you know it was one of the big 5 or something, because when we have all these cars together, everybody's trying to look at whatever the animal is. So we're gonna try to get a closer look. Okay, so it's a leopard mom with 2 cubs. I can't get with this camera because I don't have one of those super crazy lenses like some of these other people, but I bet they got some good shots. But we can see it with the binoculars, so another one of the big 5 down. When I was a young warthog. Ooh. Where's he going? Gal, how was your experience today?
So incredible. I really appreciate it. And it's my first time in South Africa. Unforgettable experience. Come to South Africa!
Just amazing. We saw a lot of animals and it's just like breathtaking to see the wildlife here in Africa.
Okay, this experience was awesome. We saw leopard, lion, hippo, crocodile. I really like it. Probably I'm going back again.
It was perfect. Very nice. I like so much. We saw very nice hippo, very nice. Leopard the next time. Lions and elephants. I'm so happy. Thank you.
Okay, I had a good day today. Like I saw like an Hostel for the first time, but I've been there like 100 times inside the park. But it was my first time to see a Hostel. Cheers!
Wow, what an experience. My first safari. I had a great time. I had a great group of people with me. Lebo is an excellent guide. She gives lots of information. She's good at finding the animals. And obviously there's like a bunch of cars everywhere whenever there's a big animal. So it's cool to see where the animals were, but then it sucks because sometimes you had to wait to see the animals. But yeah, we saw almost all of the big 5. We didn't see rhinos. But yeah, I'll have to do some more safaris. I mean, Africa's full of them. It's my first experience, so I hope they only get better from here. I'm going to do a quick animal slideshow here so you guys can see all the animals that I was able to capture and the names of them. And yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, If you've been to a safari before, leave a comment below. Let us know where it was and what it was like. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Globe cities roll on the map. Jet engines hum, no time for a nap. From Rio Samba to Istanbul's clap. The TMax journey is a non-stop lap. Hands to the sky, feel the energy flow. The TMax shows you places you didn't know. From the city lights to the mountain glow. Subscribe to the vibe, let the journey
Jerky Bell.
The other car's backing up.
Okay, now we are okay.
Yeah, he was like, no, thank you.